Hey, look at this beautiful quality Buckeye guitar billets, crafting blanks. Look at the beautiful grain pattern on it. If you guys looking for high quality Buckeye for any kind of wood project, woodworking projects, guitar projects, anything, call me. California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California, 714-929-1234. It's a beautiful quality Buckeye. Don't miss it. It's a beautiful quality Buckeye and quilted maple. Look at the quilted maple. Whoa! It's ideal for the knife planks, resin projects. And we have a lot of them like that. If you're looking for something, call us. California Exotic.